In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your setup in just 5 minutes. Whether you're running a blog, an e-commerce site, or any kind of website, understanding how visitors interact with your space is crucial. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that provides insights into your audience, how they found you, and even how they navigate through your site. Let's dive in and get started with setting it up. First, open your web browser and go to Google Analytics' official site. It's a one-stop destination for all of the tools and solutions you need to analyze your business's online performance. Once you're there, locate and click on the Sign into Analytics button. This step will require you to use your Google account, so make sure you're signed in with the correct credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Analytics homepage. This is the central hub where you can view all of your site's analytics and reports. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will become an important part of your routine analytics check. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Settings section. Simply click on the Settings icon, which is usually found in the lower left-hand corner of the interface. This area allows you to configure your account preferences and manage user settings, which can be crucial for custom tailoring the way you gather data. Now you'll want to create a new account within Google Analytics. Click on the Create button to initiate this process. Here you'll be asked to provide details about the account you're setting up. This includes naming your account, configuring data sharing options, and selecting your desired settings for tracking user data. With your new account created, the next step is to click on Account to view the account settings and management options. This will give you control over account level configurations and is where you can view the different properties associated with your account. Within this section, you can add new properties, view existing ones, or update individual settings to optimize data collection. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added Google Analytics to your toolbox. Just remember, the real power of Google Analytics comes from regularly reviewing the data and applying the insights you gain to enhance your website's performance and user experience. As you become more comfortable with the interface, try exploring different reports and features to fully leverage all that Google Analytics has to offer. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.